Hello and welcome. I'm going to be answering WAEC 2020 Chemistry Objective Past Question 50. An example of a biodegradable pollutant is A. Plastic, B. Sewage, C. Carbon dioxide or carbon monoxide, D. Hydrogen sulfide. So we're looking at biodegradable pollutant, and a biodegradable pollutant is a pollutant that is a substance that causes pollution that can be broken down into natural components that do not harm the environment over time. And examples of biodegradable pollutants usually include human waste, that is sewage, and also animal waste, and also any other pollutants which can be broken down into natural components that do not harm the environment over time. Now, plastic is not biodegradable as it can be broken down into natural components, so plastic is not the answer. Sewage, like we have rightly mentioned, is a biodegradable pollutant as over time it can be broken down by the action of microorganisms, especially in the soil, that will break the sewage down into smaller natural components like nitrogenous compounds that can increase soil fertility. So sewage is an example of a biodegradable pollutant. Now, carbon monoxide is not a biodegradable pollutant. It's an air pollutant. That also causes atmospheric problems in the ozone layer. And then hydrogen sulfide as well is also another gas which is not a biodegradable pollutant, similar to carbon monoxide. So as we have rightly established, option B, which is sewage, is the answer to this question. Thank you, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.